Hi everyone, this is Yame Kim Sensei, and today I will use Nexus 9000 as a DHCP servers. It was requested by the customer. Actually, the customer did use Cisco Catalyst 6500. It supplies the DHCP server functions, but when it replaced with Nexus 9500, unfortunately, it doesn't support that function. Also, the Nexus was disconnected from internet. So he considers adding another server for DHCP. I think it's right. It should be, but for the test, I suggested how about using the Nexus guest shell and just enable DHCP server. So he said, "Oh, it's okay. So it worth to try." So he asked, "But that what's the guest shell?" The guest shell is very simple. It's separate another the Linux actually CentOS container at Catalyst and Nexus. Uh, all Nexus 900 and above the Catalyst 9200, the separate CentOS is over there. It's independent from the iOS, so it means even though the CentOS, the guest share is broken, there is no the iOS, the switching is no problem. So actually, so for there is kind of the limit, but how the resources such as CPU and memories. At the CentOS, as a guest shell, the Python is basically over there. Also, special the Python API for iOS is over there. So from the guest shell, we can directly control the iOS using CLI. So with the guest shell, we can install and update third-party the Linux apps such as Puppet, Chef, and Splunk, and more. But the Nexus and Catalyst is just a little different. For the Nexus, it shares every interface with the iOS and XOS. But the Catalyst is totally different. The interface is over there. So it's really different. It means when we use Nexus, so uh, the the same network range should be over there. So it's very simple. So we can install and run DHCP server at the Nexus 9000 at guest shell. So first assume is Nexus 9000 is not connected to the internet. If its internet is connected, we can use command yum command. We can easily install it. But if this is because it's not disconnected, we have to download the RPM files from another CentOS, then copy, and after that we can run guest shell and install and modify the conf file, then run. It's very simple actually. So everything about the script and files you can download from GitHub. This address, it's very hard to remember and type. So just click show more at the YouTube, then the address is over there. You can get it. Okay, let's do it one by one. Okay, this is CentOS actually. Then I will download some files over there. Okay, I will make directory. Then I will download files. Its command is yum install y, but download only. Okay. Oh, very fast. I downloaded about 6 files. Then I will connect to the switch. Okay, this is Nexus 9000. Let's see show version first. This is 98180 YCEX, one of the popular model, and with version is 9.3.3. Oh, very high model, high. And using SFTP, I will upload the file. When we connect and upload, the file is located on the boot flash over there. So we don't need to remember about that. Let's enable the get shell. When we do the get shell, there is a command the get shell employ and enable. Then when we connect get shell, it said blah blah blah. It takes the 1 minute to enable, so we have to wait a little more. Okay, it's activated. Let's go to get shell. Okay, this is another Linux at the Nexus switch. Okay, you can see this one. So we can go to boot flash. It was shared in both systems, and here the IPM file is over there. By yum command, we can install the files. Sudo arrays and yum install IPM. I forgot the Y. Okay, that's it. So we can see that it's not enabled right now. So we have to enable first. But before that, let's see how about the IP addresses. As I told you, so Nexus has same IP address and interfaces with Nexus. You can see that. So every interface is over there, and for the VLAN 1, where is VLAN 1? We share the same interface VLAN 1 over there. So it is 192.168 network, and if this interface is up, the D server will work. You should remember. So it should match between the interface and the D server configuration. Okay, and let's like do modify the configuration file. Where is that? etc DHCP. Okay, let's see etc DHCP. Oh, I have to root. Then okay, then vi DHCP com. Okay, then just it is simply about these servers. Okay, I did copy it. Then right Q. This is time to enable the servers. Okay, systemctl enable and start. Okay, let's see about the status. Oh, it was working, loaded and active, and I have to to connect a client. Okay, I just connect the Windows 10 client, and let's see about the status. If we see this file, we can see a client that the MAC address is 18, CC is get this address, and also we can still log. Oh, sorry. A tail and F was over there. Just so you can see the logo. Oh, there is no logo over there? Okay. Okay, so you can see the process over there. So discover and offer and request an egg. DORA, D-O-R-A we say. So DORA, we can see the log, we can see the status. So actually it worked. So actually guest to share is very useful function in Cisco switch. So if we use this function for a while, so we can go beyond the limitation of the CLI command. Thank you. This is Yamakim Sensei. Bye bye.